Dear students, now we are going to start an introduction to the English grammar class session 2. Now we have been very well known how many alphabets are there in English. There are 26 alphabets. In this, the capital letters is written in this form and the small letters have been written in this form. The capital and the small letters or alphabets are written in a different form and also in a different scriptical way. It is a different while writing. The script means a writing method. A group of alphabets combine to form a single word. A group of alphabets are combined together to form a single word. A word that gives an exact meaning. Example, that, there, what, which, etc. As I have been explained in a previous class. The word can also be classified according to their action and also according to the meaning which has been given to itself. But it is a challenging and also to define. The word refers to speech sound. That is, speaking sound means speaking in a different type of language or mixture of languages. That is, two or more different types of languages which is going to give a speech and also a sound. Mixture of both written in verbal or in a communicative form. That is, communicate means two persons have been talking together in between themselves is known as communication. The word works as a symbol to communicate someone or a something, to represent and to refer the single word. Example, cricket, sky, table, bench, pen, pencil, and so on. The word is the smallest unit in a grammar that can stand alone as a complete utterance, separated by a space and is being written in a different languages in order to speak or in order to utter. The different types of studies in the minds of the people have started the formation of word. The words have been studied in a linguistic form and shows a meaning to the word is called a lexical semantics. Morphology is a grammar and a linguistic means a discipline. It gives a meaning. The linguistic shows a meaning as a discipline. Lexical gives a decision making and semantic means a meaning to a word. A combination of speech sounds the alphabet and these alphabets, a combination of alphabets is going to called a word. You have been very well known in the previous class, which is said to be a word. And then the group of words which is going to give exact meaning to itself to form a sentence. Suppose a bat and ball are the two different words. So that if we use them in a sentence form, the same as that I do not play with bat ball. In this form, we may not be understanding how a sentence is formed and then no one can understand this sentence formation. It does not give any meaning to itself, isn't it? Yes. Now, but the same sentences must be written as I do not. We are giving a space in each and every word of a sentences. I is separate, do is separate, and not is separate. Combined, no, we are not combining this do and not without giving a space in between, isn't it? Now we are separating these words with each other. Then I is separate and do is separate, not is also separate. In this way, we are going to write a separate words to form a sentences. This we are going to write in this form. I do not play with bat and ball. In this form, we should write a sentences. Now, this session has been completed. In the next section, we are going to start how to write a sentences. Thank you, students.